In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply send a CV via email using your phone. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So first up, I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this that is not confusing, that is so simple that anyone can do it. So first up, what you need to do now is that you want to locate your CV. So you can simply go over to your files and then locate your CV. If someone sent it via WhatsApp, go over to WhatsApp and locate it from there. But in this case, I'm just going to simply use my files. So I'm just going to simply go to my documents and then WhatsApp documents, because that's where it was sent. And then I'm going to locate it. And here it is right over here. So once you have located your CV, what you want to do now is that you want to, if you use the files root, what you want to do now is that you want to long click on your CV. If you went to and located your CV via WhatsApp, you can also simply long press it and it's going to give you the option to share. Then once you do that, once you long pressed on your CV, click on the share option and it's going to give you a ton of ways in which you can share your CV. And as you can see, it has given me the Gmail option, but if you don't find the Gmail option right over here, you can simply swipe and then click on the more option and you should simply find the Gmail option right over here. So in this case, I'm simply going to click on the Gmail option. And as you can see, it takes me straight to Gmail where I can simply send my CV. So what you want to do now is that you want to enter the email of the person that's supposed to receive your CV. In this case, let's say I want to send my CV to this particular person. I'm simply going to type in his email and then click on it. And then once you have typed in that person's email, you want to give your message or mail a subject. So I can simply name it something like CV submission for, or rather Jake, something like Jaden CV submission. That could be my subject so that they know that it's Jaden who is sending this particular CV. So what you're going to do now is that you want to give your a simple text or a simple description of your email. So in example, I can be like, hey, maybe the person's name is Jane. Hey, Jane, here is my CV. And then something like this, but you can really type in what you want, make it seem professional or something like that. But as a demo, I'm just gonna use this particular template. So as you can see, I've entered the person that's to receive the CV. I've entered their email and I've entered a heading, which is this one, and just a brief description of what my email is all about. So once you're done typing all of this stuff, what you're going to do now is that you want to send the email. And as you can see, here's the PDF. It's attached. As you can see right over here, that's the PDF. That's my CV. It has been attached automatically because I located it, then I sent it. So it automatically attaches to the mail. So I can simply send by clicking on this this sort of triangle tool right over here. So I can simply click on it and then send, and that should send my CV. And if I go back to my Gmail app, I should see the mail. Let me try and refresh. It hasn't yet updated, but the mail has been sent. Let me try to check the C. Okay, as you can see, the message was sent to my other email, and as you can see, my other email has received this email. So as you can see, my other email has received this email, and that's what the person you send, that's what the person that's going to receive your CV is going to see. They're going to see a page, something like this. So that's how you can simply send a CV via email using your phone. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.